Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the deficiency diseases related to the components of food. My dear children, we have already discussed about the deficiency diseases which are caused due to the lack of carbohydrates. Now we are going to discuss about the diseases which are caused due to the lack of proteins in our diet. Now, if you remember, we had discussed about the malnutrition and undernutrition. Now, let us recall what is malnutrition. Malnutrition क्या होता है? It is the condition when body does not get optimum nutritional requirements in food. जब हमारी बॉडी को जो हम फूड खाते हैं उससे प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशनल डाइट नहीं मिलती है, then we suffer from the condition which is called as malnutrition. Now, if we talk about deficiency of proteins, what happens? The growing children, they need more proteins in our diet, and lack of proteins in the diet weakens the muscles, right? And the deficiency of proteins lead to protein energy malnutrition. So, protein energy malnutrition consists of two things. Either we call it as kwashiorkor or marasmus. So, these are the two diseases which are caused due to the lack of protein rich diet. Now, we are going to discuss first about kwashiorkor. What is kwashiorkor? It is a disease which is caused due to the lack of protein rich diet. Remember, only protein rich diet. So the disease which is caused due to the lack of protein rich diet, it is called as kwashiorkor. And it mainly affects the children under 5 years of age who do not get protein in the regular diet, right? So kwashiorkor is the disease which is related to protein energy malnutrition, and it is caused because of the lack of protein rich diet. Now, what are the symptoms? If you look at the figure of a boy, you can see in this picture the child exhibits stunted growth. Growth proper नहीं हो पाती है. Anemia, lack of energy is there in the person. And then what happens? उसकी जो stomach होती है, that is swollen stomach. Legs are very thin, and there are ugly patches on the skin, right? So if you look at the figure, all these symptoms are present, and this is because of lack of protein rich diet, right? So what are the symptoms? Symptoms are that child exhibits stunted growth, anemia, energy नहीं होती है बिल्कुल, and the child looks pale and weak, right? And swollen stomach, thin legs, और skin के ऊपर patches होते हैं, right? Now, what is the treatment? Treatment क्या है इसका? The children affected, they should be given milk, eggs, and other protein rich food, right? Then only they can be cured from the disease, right? So even you people also, if you want to protect yourself from this disease, आपको protein rich diet लेनी चाहिए, because you people are growing. वैसे भी आपको protein rich diet, it's very essential for you, right? So you must drink milk and eat other protein rich food items. Now let us come to the second type of disease related to protein energy malnutrition, that is marasmus. अब marasmus और kwashiorkor में क्या फ़र्क है? जो kwashiorkor है that is only because of the lack of proteins, लेकिन जो marasmus होती है it is caused by the deficiency of proteins, carbohydrates and fats. इन तीनों चीज़ों की डेफिशिएंसी से marasmus would be there. और marasmus में क्या होता है? The children and the young adults, they are more likely to develop this disease. और इसमें क्या होता है? आप if you see in the picture, loose fold of the skin can be seen all over the body. Person child इतना thin हो जाता है कि loose folds of skin they can be seen all over the body, right? And this is the basic symptom of marasmus. तो इसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए? The child or the young adult should have the diet which is rich in proteins, carbohydrates and fats. सो आई होप बोथ द थिंग्स आर क्लियर. प्रोटीन एनर्जी malnutrition में दो चीज़ें होती हैं, दो डिजीजेज होती हैं. एक होती है क्वाशरकॉर, एक होती है मरासमस. क्वाशरकॉर occurs because of the deficiency of proteins only, but marasmus occurs by the deficiency of proteins, carbohydrates and fats, right? और marasmus में क्या होता है? The child becomes so thin that loose folds of the skin, they can be seen all over the body, right? Now we are going to proceed with the deficiency of vitamins and minerals. We've already discussed about carbohydrates, we have discussed about the proteins. Now let us come to deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Now my dear children, we have already done when we were studying about the vitamins and minerals. Now let us only study about the deficiency diseases which are caused due to the deficiency of vitamin and minerals. Now let us start with the vitamin A. In vitamin A, if our body lacks vitamin A rich diet, तो we suffer from disease. और वो disease क्या होती है? Night blindness. क्या होता है night blindness? Night blindness means the person is not able to see in darkness or in a dim light. Dim light में person नहीं देख सकता है, right? That is basically your night blindness, right? And if you remember, इसके sources क्या होते हैं? Green leafy vegetables, milk, carrot, papayas, mangoes, all these are rich in vitamin A. So if you want to keep your eyesight good, you need to have the vitamin A, right? Now let us come to vitamin B1. In vitamin B1, what happens to the person? The person has poor growth of body, their weak muscles, and he feels tired, right? He has little energy to work. और इस disease को हम कहते हैं beriberi, right? So beriberi is caused by deficiency of vitamin B1. Now next is vitamin C. विटामिन सी की डेफिशिएंसी की वजह से जो डिजीज़ होती है दैट इज स्कर्वी. और स्कर्वी के अंदर क्या होता है? यू हैव ब्लीडिंग गम्स और इवन द वुंड्स टेक लॉन्गर टाइम टू हील. आपकी गम्स में से ब्लड आना शुरू हो जाता है और स्वेलिंग होनी शुरू हो जाती है गम्स में, राइट? सो इन दैट केस देयर इज अ डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन सी. नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट विटामिन डी, विटामिन डी का मेजर सोर्स क्या है? सनलाइट, राइट? और विटामिन डी में की डेफिशिएंसी से क्या होता है? जो बोन्स होते हैं वो बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट हो जाते हैं. अब क्योंकि वो सॉफ्ट हो जाते हैं तो वी हैव द बो लेग्स, राइट? एंड द डिजीज विच इज कॉज ड्यू टू डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन डी इज rickets. Now let us come to minerals. In case of mineral we have iron. If you remember, why do we require iron? Iron is required for the formation of hemoglobin. और अगर हमारी बॉडी में आयरन की डेफिशिएंसी हो जाती है तो वी सफ़र फ्रॉम द डिजीज कॉल्ड एज एनीमिया एंड द पर्सन लुक्स वीक. ही हैज़ वेरी लिटिल एनर्जी, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज कैल्शियम. कैल्शियम is mainly required for bones and teeth, right? So if the person has diet which lacks in calcium, तो उस केस में क्या होता है? There is bone and tooth decay. तो symptoms क्या होंगे? Bones weak हो जाते हैं and the tooth decay. Now we have iodine. Iodine में क्या होता है? Basically we have the disease, deficiency disease which is called as goiter. गोइटर के अंदर क्या होता है? देयर इज स्वेलिंग ऑफ द नेक, राइट? एंड समटाइम्स इट मे अगर दैट लाइक वी हैव मेंटल डिसेबिलिटी इन चिल्ड्रेन. तो राइट, तो वी हैव टू हैव द आयोडीन रिच डाइट, देन ओनली वी कैन प्रोटेक्ट आवरसेल्फ फ्रॉम गोइटर. नाउ लेट अस गो थ्रू दीज डिजीजेस वन बाय वन. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट लाइट ब्लाइंडनेस, लाइट ब्लाइंडनेस के अंदर देखो, इफ यू हैव द पिक्चर ओवर हियर, you can see it's a blur. Everything is looking blurred. At night or in dim light, everything is looking blurred. This is called night blindness. And it is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Now next is beriberi. if we look at the figure in berry, you can see that it is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B1. और इसमें क्या क्या सिम्टम्स होते हैं? लिम्स में पेन होनी शुरू हो जाती है, वीकनेस हो जाती है, सांस लेना मुश्किल हो जाता है और स्वेलिंग हो जाती है फीट एंड लेग्स में, राइट? So this is called as beriberi and it is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B1. Now next is scurvy. Scurvy के अंदर क्या होता है? You can see we have the pictures of a normal person, teeth and gums, and the person who is suffering from scurvy. You can see उसके जो gums होते हैं उसमें blood आना शुरू हो जाता है और joints में swelling हो जाती है, right? So we have this disease which is called scurvy and it is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. तो अपने आप अगर आपने अपने टीथ को परफेक्ट रखना है, यू हैव टू हैव द विटामिन सी रिच डाइट, लाइक यू नो ऑरेंजेस, लेमन्स, ये सारे जो सिट्रस फ्रूट्स होते हैं, राइट, टमाटोज एंड एप्पल्स, ऑल दीज दे आर रिच इन विटामिन सी. एंड नेक्स्ट इज रिकेट्स. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट रिकेट्स, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, ये क्या है कि स्केलेटल डिसऑर्डर है. इसमें क्या होता है? बोन सॉफ्ट हो जाती हैं एंड एनीथिंग विच इज़ सॉफ्ट, यू नो, इट हैज़ अ टेंडेंसी टू बेंड. तो जो बोन्स होती हैं वो बेंड हो जाती हैं. यू कैन सी द चाइल्ड शोन इन द फिगर, ही इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम रिकेट्स एंड इट इज़ कॉज ड्यू टू द लैक ऑफ विटामिन डी और इवन कैल्शियम, क्योंकि कैल्शियम इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड फॉर बोन्स. Now let us talk about goiter. As I've already told you, it is caused due to deficiency of iodine. और goiter में क्या होता है? Look at the figure. इसमें goiter में क्या होता है? Swelling हो जाती है neck में, right? We have the gland present over here. उसमें enlargement हो जाती है उसकी और उससे क्या होता है? Swelling हो जाती है neck में, right? और इसको हम कैसे prevent कर सकते हैं? By using iodized salt and seafood. Seafood is rich in iodine, right? So the people who eat seafood, they will never suffer from goiter, right? So it is basically caused due to the deficiency of iodine, right? And what happens in this? There is swelling in the neck. So I hope the deficiency diseases which are caused due to proteins, due to vitamins and minerals, it's clear to you. And I hope you will be able to do the questions related to these topics. Thank you.